Well, the day has come. I can't avoid it anymore. I have to grind all of the welds down on the outside of the body today. Not looking forward to it. Literally the worst part. But it's got to be done. I'm going to have to slap on my earmuffs and just go to town. It's going to take me probably a good hour to grind all of it to where it needs to be. Yeah, sucks. But after that's done, we'll smooth on a little filler. We use Evercoat Lightweight. Just the cheap stuff, you know. It's about $20 for that whole gallon, so let's get at it.